Okay, now we want to write a simple program to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So, in order to do that, we have to know the arithmetic logic. This is the formula to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. For example, I want to convert, let's say 30 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I'll say temperature, that's the answer I want to get, that's temperature in Fahrenheit equals the temperature in Celsius I was given, which is 30, multiplied by 9 all over 5 plus 32. So this is not program, this is just the formula. So it is this formula you will use in your program. So the first thing is that we need a user to enter the temperature in Celsius. So temperature in Fahrenheit, okay, let's say temperature in Celsius equals, so a user should enter any value. So say input, enter temperature in Celsius. So after getting the temperature in Celsius, we will now use the temperature in Celsius in our formula. So the formula for temperature conversion is temperature in Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit equals, okay, temperature in Celsius multiplied by 9 all over 5, then plus 32. So let's print the temperature in Fahrenheit as our output. So we'll say print. Let's use our F string, F, then your double quote, okay, you can just say our placeholder temperature in Celsius, that's the one the user enters. If the user enters 30 degrees, I will say 30 degrees Celsius, that's a variable. Then the Celsius can be outside the placeholder. So it will say 30 degree Celsius is another placeholder. What's the answer? Temperature in Fahrenheit. So it will say 30 degrees Celsius is the answer in Fahrenheit. So let's put F after the placeholder. Let's try to run this program and see the output. Enter temperature in Celsius, let's say 30 degree. Then you press enter. You can see, okay, there is an error. So the error says type error, unsupported operator. So the type error means you are trying to manipulate, do two different types, data types together. Okay, let's look at this yellow underline. It says expected int got str instead. Okay, that means it is expecting us to put the string value or string data type here, but it's getting int. That is because anything we enter as an input is always seen as a string. So we need to convert it to integer before we add it to 32. So it cannot add this string with 32. So what do we need to do? We have to convert this to either float or int. So you wrap the input, everything, with int, or you wrap it with float. Float is a decimal number, while int is a whole number. So let's run again. Temperature in Celsius, let's say it is 30 degrees. So we want to convert it to Fahrenheit. So 30 degrees Celsius equals 85.0 Fahrenheit.